Good afternoon. I think we met all this morning. So you know me, I'm Marc Blottière, I'm the group CIO. And I want to cover two of our priorities as simply as possible. The first one is the cloud. So the cloud is not a simple new technology. It's a full revolution of the computing in the world and storage of data. We have embarked this journey. We want to move all our computing power and storage on the cloud because it brings speed, it's automated, very fast, it brings innovation. We can use new features to develop very quickly new solutions. It can scale at limited cost, and it brings security. There is a paradox. People think that cloud is not secure, cloud is more secure. So we've decided to take this journey worldwide, all companies, and again, I know you are involved, and you can take the lead for more, no limit. What we want to do at the moment is to put 50% of our applications on the public cloud and 50% on the private one. It might be 60-40, it might be 70-30. We don't know yet, but we believe it will be that. And this will be done in the next 2 to 3 years. When we do that, of course, it's a big shift in our operating model, and we need to transform our skill set. And the good news, again, you have engineering knowledge here. That's a very good news. And at the end, of course, our job will be to maintain this hybrid cloud environment. So cloud, extremely important. Second one, we cannot transform our company unless we make sure that our core legacy systems are improved so that we can sustain the technology and plug innovation into our operating center. So that one is a program all over the world with all our entities to simplify the big applications, make it modernized, reduce the technical debt so that we can move everything on the cloud, as well as build an operating model where we can deliver 24/7 quality of service and security. So you see, modernizing the legacy is not sexy, but it's absolutely mandatory. That's why it's one of our priorities. That's what I wanted to say. I guess, André, you can complement on the IT operating model so that you can see how you can play a role. And I want to insist on something that Astrid opened. Global doesn't mean central. Global means allocated across the world, and the leadership can be allocated as well. So when Astrid says take it, please take it. If you know how to do something, and you have here a couple of very good practice, raise the hand, I can do it, I can do more, and we'll help you.
On my side, workplace. I will start with workplace. It's one of the top 10 priorities, not only of Astrid, but of everybody. I will try just to have an analogy with what you are doing here, and let me say for AXA France and also for AXA Service Maroc. You are working closely for AXA Service Maroc. You are, let me say, an extended team for AXA France, doing your best, let me say, to develop this workplace. Objective is not to have one workplace in France, another one in Germany, another one in Asia. It's really to have only one. At the end, and we expect that in the coming 2 to 3 years, maybe less, I have some pressure here, to say, can we have only one global workplace? That everybody could easily connect it to everybody across the world, that we have exactly the same configuration, that we can easily communicate it, share information, send information, to plug the local application, let me say, on the same configuration. That's really the workplace. It's also not only a brand name, it's really easy. If we would like to be one AXA, it's certainly one of the most important visible action and product that we can develop all together. That's the idea that we have with workplace. Back to the target operating model, in this case, certainly that you can certainly help us. Reuse maybe already, maybe scalable, maybe already your activities, your knowledge that we have at the group level. I know that Amit Jarbidi is leading the workplace. I've already contact with you. Once again, it's not only centralized in Paris or at the headquarters. We try to spread all the knowledge that we have. We try to have the right organization, to have the right resources to build all together this global product in the future. Target operating model, once again, already said by Astrid and also by Mark, is really work together to have the right expertise at the right level, at the right location, and really to work together. Not centrally in Europe, not centrally in Paris, at the headquarters. That's certainly the idea for me, that we can certainly leverage what we are visiting this today, bring, let me say, a lot of knowledge for me at least, working together, same with Lisbon. You know that we have also some teams in Lisbon. It's certainly for me not a competition between the two, but certainly to leverage more for Europe. We will have the same in Asia, and certainly in the future in Latin America to exactly propose the same services for Latin America. That target operating model, matrix organization, working together, spread the different locations, and use all the skills and the knowledge that we have at the group level. Thank you very much.